Hey guys, welcome back to Glow Mode. Today, we're diving into something everyone secretly wants. Yes, that dreamy, glowing, glass-like skin that makes you look like you just walked out of a skincare commercial. But here's the plot twist. You don't need a treasure chest of expensive creams, fancy serums that cost more than your dinner, or a skincare collection that could rival Sephora. Nope, you can get smooth, radiant skin without burning a hole in your wallet. Basically, your skin will glow and your bank account won't cry. All it takes is understanding your skin and giving it what it actually wants. I'm about to break this down into simple, practical, and yes, actually working tips. So grab some water, maybe a snack, and let's get your skin shining like glass. 1. Understand your skin type. The first step to glowing skin is knowing your skin. Everyone's skin is different. Some people have oily skin, some dry, some combination. If you use products that don't match your skin type, they can irritate it and make breakouts worse. So take a moment to observe your skin. Do you get shiny during the day? Dry patches? Redness? Knowing this helps you pick the right routines and home remedies that actually work. You don't need expensive tests. Just pay attention and be honest with yourself. 2. Cleanse properly without wasting money. Cleansing is a foundation of clear skin. You don't need a $50 face wash. Simple, gentle cleansers work just fine. Even soap-free mild bar soaps or DIY cleansers with honey or yogurt can do wonders. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. At night, remove all dirt, sweat, and any dirt collected throughout the day. Morning cleansing removes oils and dead skin cells that build up overnight. Clean skin prevents clogged pores and reduces acne. 3. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliation is key to smooth, radiant skin. Dead skin cells accumulate on your face, block pores, and make your skin look dull. You don't need fancy scrubs. Simple home remedies like oatmeal, sugar, or coffee grounds mixed with honey can exfoliate effectively. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Over-exfoliating can irritate skin, so keep it gentle. The goal is smooth skin, not redness or irritation. 4. Hydrate your skin. Hydration is more important than most people realize. Dry skin can actually overproduce oil, which leads to breakouts. If you're on a budget, use lightweight, non-oily moisturizers or natural options like aloe vera gel or coconut oil. Aloe vera hydrates, soothes, and even helps reduce redness and scars. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties and is packed with antioxidants. Use a small amount at night and let it absorb. It's cheap, effective, and natural. 5. Use toner, even a DIY one. Toner helps balance the pH of your skin and prepares it for moisturizing. If you don't want to buy a commercial toner, simple options like diluted rose water or green tea work amazingly. Pat it gently onto your face after cleansing. This step may seem small, but it makes your skin feel fresh and helps prevent breakouts. 6. Protect your skin from sun. Sun damage is one of the fastest ways to ruin your skin. You don't need an expensive sunscreen, just something that blocks UV rays. Even a small SPF moisturizer or staying in shade during peak hours helps. Sun exposure can cause dark spots, premature aging, and uneven skin tone. If you want that glass-like smoothness, sun protection is non-negotiable. 7. Watch your diet. What you eat shows on your skin. You don't need supplements or fancy detox drinks. Just simple, natural foods can make a big difference. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce help detox your skin and regulate hormones. Proteins from beans, lentils, or eggs strengthen your skin barrier. Honey is cheap and full of vitamin. It can be eaten or applied as a mask. Limit sugar, dairy, and processed foods because they trigger breakouts. Fatty fish or nuts provide healthy fats that keep your skin soft and glowing. Small changes in diet equals big changes in skin. 8. Drink plenty of water. Hydration isn't just for your body, it's for your skin too. Drinking water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin plump. Aim for at least 2 liters a day. If plain water is boring, add cucumber or lemon slices. This is the simplest, cheapest habit with huge effects on your glow. 9. Sleep well and manage stress. Sleep and stress are huge factors in skin health. Hormonal imbalances caused by lack of sleep or stress can increase oil production, causing pimples. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and manage stress with simple methods like deep breathing or stretching. Even short naps help. When your mind is calm, your skin is calm too. 10. Avoid overdoing skincare. Less is more. Overloading your skin with products doesn't make it better. It often makes it worse. Stick to simple routines. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and protect. You don't need dozens of creams or serums. Simple, consistent care beats expensive routines any day. 11. Face masks from home. Face masks are an easy way to boost your skin. You don't need store-bought masks. Honey, turmeric, yogurt, or oatmeal can make amazing DIY masks. Honey is antibacterial. Turmeric reduces redness. Yogurt gently exfoliates, and oatmeal soothes. Apply 1 to 2 times a week. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse, and your skin feels instantly smoother. 12. Massage your face. Facial massage increases blood flow, reduces puffiness, and gives that natural glow. You can do this with your fingers or cheap tools like a jade roller. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes daily, especially around your cheeks, forehead, and jawline. This boosts lymphatic drainage, reduces toxins, and gives skin a radiant appearance. 13. Keep your hands and hair clean. Sometimes the simplest things are overlooked. Dirty hands touching your face transfer bacteria, causing breakouts. Hair can also transfer oils and dirt. Wash your hands often, and keep your hair clean and off your face. It's cheap, easy, and surprisingly effective. 14. Avoid alcohol, excess sugar, and dairy. Alcohol dries out skin and reduces collagen. Sugar causes inflammation, and dairy can trigger breakouts in some people. You don't have to cut these completely, but limiting them helps a lot. Small changes like swapping soda for water or reducing milk in coffee can improve skin clarity over time. 15. Consistency is key. The biggest secret to clear skin isn't a product, it's consistency. Follow your simple routine every day. Cleansing, moisturizing, hydrating, healthy eating, and sleep. Stick to it. Over time, your skin will respond. Even small daily habits compound into amazing results. 16. Bonus. Affordable tools that help. If you want to take it a step further without spending much, DIY gua sha or face massage. Use a spoon or a smooth stone. Exfoliating cloths or brushes. Just gentle scrubbing with warm water. Ice cubes. Reduce puffiness and tighten pores cheaply. 17. Avoid picking or squeezing pimples. This is a huge one. Touching or squeezing pimples spread bacteria and causes scarring. Patience is your best friend here. Treat your skin gently. It will reward you. 18. Track your skin progress. Take photos weekly. You'll notice improvements that aren't obvious day to day. Seeing progress keeps you motivated and ensures your routine works. So there you have it. Glass-like skin doesn't require expensive products or a complicated routine. With these practical low-cost tips, cleansing, moisturizing, simple DIY masks, healthy eating, water, sleep, stress management, and consistency, you can transform your skin naturally. Remember, skin takes time to respond, so stick with it. Focus on daily habits, not overnight miracle. Your skin will become smooth, radiant, and glowing without breaking the bank.